Hey yo, welcome everybody, welcome back to another live stream. Hello RFS. Today I got my special this is not actually mineral, this is a mineral water, okay? If you're living in Turkey, you know what this is, you know, this is one of the good ass drinks in here, so we're just grinding with that drink now. How is everybody doing? If you joined this stream, if you're watching me, please say hi or something, and yeah, just reveal yourself, you know. I want to meet you and I want to know what your grind is. The message at the start says live stream instead of live stream. Shit, are you serious? That's been like that forever. I should probably fix that. Anyways, thanks for fixing the typo. And yeah, guys, this stream, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do, but like I don't know what's gonna unfold at the end. Today I finally reorganized my room so that I can focus on a bit of electronics. Hello, Transistor Egg. So the camera angle has changed a little bit. Also, if you are a real fan, you probably have realized the figures in the background has changed, okay? But if you didn't realize that, sorry, you're not a real fan, but probably nobody has realized it. But anyways, these guys have been reorganized, regrouped, everything is fresh. My room is not messy anymore. It's gonna be messy after the stream. Do you have secret ideas for a cool grind? Yes. Let's talk about. I don't know what do you mean. You want ideas or what? We're not little bionicle guys. Hey, they're not little, okay? They're actually very grown up. I mean, this guy over here, it's almost as old as me. So almost, I'm telling you. Like, maybe he is small, but like, in human years, that's, you know, he's old. You know, he's. I actually bought this guy from a random person in Romania. So that's, yeah, story, man. So almost 18. Well, I'm not 18, so I don't know what you mean, but I mean, yeah, I'm close to 18, so yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, anyways, I want to show it to you. I have another camera. Guys, today, if everything goes right, we will have a solder cam. I'm not joking. We will have a proper solder POV. Okay, just stay tuned. I cannot show it to you right now. I need to switch my camera, but soldering POV, how fucking cool is that? I think that's pretty fucking cool. Soldering, yeah, not soldier. Oh dang, we're going, yeah, embedded. We're going embedded, bro. All right, so let's fucking start. All right. The plan for today is, all right, a little bit of a backstory. 2 weeks ago, or maybe 3 weeks ago, I was at this music event and I bought this kit this is basically a guitar pedal, and this is like a kit, like electronics kit, and I bought it. I mean, I could have just assembled and soldered it there and then bring it back home, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it at home, you know, because, you know, I need to push myself to get back into the embedded electronics whatever grind. So that's what I did. So now I have this is not drugs, okay? It looks like some drug package, but it's not drugs. We have a bunch of electronics in here. The case looks like this. All right. The case looks like this. So you see the branding on this. the cool ass art. So at the end, if everything goes right, we'll put this thing together. I'm gonna then plug my guitar. Not sure if everything will just work out of the box. I never used a guitar pedal. I never soldered a guitar pedal. I never done something like this. But that's the beauty. We just on the grind. This is something new. And of course, I have a bunch of other parts with me. Look, we have potassium meters. We have buttons. All kinds of stuff. We actually have a whole ass guide with grouped parts, and like, you know, like they put the names of the things in here, and like you can just like take a look. I don't know, some of them actually fallen off from this, but I don't know. But look, like these are like the resistors, you know, and like on the other page they have some, oh shit, this is falling apart. Yeah, it's not good because it's falling apart, but I don't know if I have lost any parts from this because it's just falling apart. But I have some other electronics stuff. Maybe I can just use those instead, if I can find an exact component. But let's actually take a look at the thing that I'm doing today. So this is fur face. What is this actually? Oh, I have some papers. Hold on. I have some papers. All right. Okay, I have some papers. It's like, I don't know. Yeah, I guess that this is it, guys. Like, wait, some guide, but this is kind of boring. So I want to like find the I don't know if there's like a better tutorial or something like that. I'm gonna find that, and there is probably, like, most likely. I haven't showed you the circuit, so maybe I can do that. This is the circuit that we are working with. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a link on this, so I'm gonna just put the link. So pedal marked. Yeah. All right, this is it. Fur face is our take on the fuzz face circuit, designed to be easy to build. The pedal uses NPN transistors instead of PNP to simplify the power circuitry. It has biasing. Wait, I'm not showing you. Sorry, my bad. It's biasing ports for both transistors to allow builders to experiment swapping ports and tuning device. Enclosure design for all the. All right. So at the end, it should look something like this. Kit documentation. Biasing the transistors. I don't know what I don't know if I'm gonna do that. All right, we got the whole ass PDF. That's good. You'll need a multimeter or another way to measure DC voltage to complete this build. Yeah, I have a multimeter. I think I have it. I don't know if it's still working. It seems like it's still working, guys. We have the multimeter and everything, but hold on. Let me actually try this out. Alright, let's try the sound. Let's try the ports or probes or whatever. You hear this? All right, it's working. I have a multimeter. That was, yeah. I'm kind of lucky. So I didn't know if I needed one or not, but okay. Okay, bill of materials. Ceramic capacitor with 1 nanofarad second. Text in italic font gives tips about how to mount or solder parts. If you'd like to experiment with using different transistors, please socket them. I don't know. I think I won't. This is the exact same thing as I have. So I guess, yeah. You're good at soldering. We're gonna find that out today. Different kits and schematics designate values differently. The circuit consists of just a handful of parts. Transistor selection and bias play a huge role in the sound of the... Okay, am I back? I should be back. Alright. Sorry, my internet just cut off. It happens. Okay, so... let's actually find those parts. Where are they? Because I have a bunch of things, but I don't know, like... Wait, I need some space. I need some space on my table. I'm gonna move things around a little bit. Gonna put these things over here. The circuits. We're gonna switch to the POV soon, so stay tuned. But I need to get my stuff here first. Okay, so these are... maybe I can just switch to POV. Fuck it, I'm just gonna switch to POV now. Yeah, this is empty now. Alright guys, I'm gonna mount my... oh shit. I'm gonna mount my other camera. Give me a second. Alright. Just trying to mount this thing. Okay, should be good now. I mean, it is solid. I'll try to stay close to the microphone, but if you don't hear me, just let me know so that I can fix my setup a little bit. I can probably just move over the microphone though. Wait, let me just do that so that you hear me better. I should have done that before I started the stream, but anyways. Alright, I moved the microphone a little bit so that you'll hear me better. Actually, no. Give me a sec. Alright, I moved it quite a bit now. Okay. I'm gonna just move it over here. Alright guys, let's switch to the POV. Alright, there you go. This is my best live stream ever so far. Look at the quality. Alright guys, so everything is, I think, very visible. So this is the should probably have a better lighting over here. Wait, let me turn on the lights. Alright, so this is the circuit. And you see I get the link from here. Probably don't see it very clearly, but anyways, let me try to adjust this a little bit. And yeah, so these stuff came out from the package that I got. So these are like the potentiometers, and like these are the caps for them, I guess. Like when I finally finished the thing, this is the jack input, I'm guessing. Looks like it. And no, actually, what is this? Yeah, it's probably the jack input. This is the power input, you know, and this is the thing that you press and stuff like that. I don't know if this is like supposed to be like this. I don't know. Seems a bit broken. Oh no, it's not. Okay. You just gotta push it a little bit, and that's all I got from the package. I don't know what this is. Dude, why my hands look so cute on the camera? Like, what the fuck? I was expecting to look like a Chad on this, but I look like a kid on this camera. Anyways, and then we have, maybe I can just remove the tape. Let me remove the tape on this. All right. And then we have this this little booklet. In here we have sockets and stuff. Like this is, I don't know what happened here, but this is like not here. Maybe it's supposed to be something invisible. No, this is actually not a booklet. This is, oh shit, you can just expand this thing. Shit, okay. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna use it as a booklet. Fuck. I broke it. So yeah, there are like some parts. Look, it's just falling apart, but yeah. And that's actually all. Just this stuff and this stuff. And oh, it's just falling apart. Anyways, that's all. And the transistors that this thing is talking about is this ones, I guess. Wait, let me resize my video. All right. So the transistor that this is talking about here is, I think, the one that just fell off. The circuit consists of okay, BC 108, Q1 biased about 1.3 volts, Q2 about 5.8 volts. So which one is Q1 and which one is Q2? I don't know. But like you can see them, like it's basically like that. And like these are the transistors. When inserting transistors, please match their pinout to the expected pinout indicated on the PCB. E emitter, B to base, and C to collector. To find out the pinout of a transistor, you could use the image search. Try to find a data sheet or use a transistor tester. Okay, I'll try that. I'll do my best. Biasing transistors. Biasing transistors in this context means setting their collector voltage to a certain value while there's no audio signal coming in. Because Surface internally uses feedback for bias, you'd have to go back and forth a couple of times between Q1 and Q2 to make sure the voltages are right. That's because changing the bias of one of the transistors affects the other. Here's the biasing procedure. Set your multimeter up for measuring DC voltage. We'll be measuring values between, okay. Clip or touch the black multimeter, okay. And this is like done after I finish it, I think. So I'll do that after I finish that. Okay, schematics. And this is quite up to date. That's cool. All right, so where do we start, guys? Let's take a look at this. By the way, please let me know if you don't hear me, because like this setup is new and I'm like trying to figure it out. I'm gonna actually move this over here. Wait, I'm gonna change the light. I think this should be, yeah, it's not better. The other one was better. Hold on. Alright, just never mind. Alright, so I see some transistors that I need to solder here. R1, R2, and R3. I can just wait, I'm not showing to you. So like there are 3 transistors, R1, R2, R3, and I'll start with them because they're like the easiest, probably. And yeah, so R1 is 100K here, so 100K. There you have 100K. It's like, probably need a better lighting, but I will just trust them. Actually, I can check, but I cannot see, so we can maybe try my flash. Yeah, you probably won't see it. I mean, I cannot see it. It's like brown, black, something. Okay, just trust it. Just trust the docs. Just trust the docs, okay? So this is 100K. R1 goes to here. Oh, it's the wrong side. Hold on. Oh, actually, does it really matter? Yeah, it should go here. I'm just like trying to fit it. Oh, come on. It's just not fitting in. Okay, I made it. Alright. And then we just bend the knees, bend the legs, whatever. Don't bend the knees, just only bend your knees when kneeling for the god. But anyways, we put that in there. And R2, let's see, it is 1K. I just trust the docs that I have. R2, 1K, boom. Okay, got that. And then R3, 470. We got that already. R3, boom. I'm just fighting with the resistor. Okay. And I think we can give this a try now. I have this new solder thing, I don't know what it is called, soldering machine, whatever. You can just try that now. I have this fancy thing. Oh, this actually makes it look better. And I'm just gonna do it like this. Can make my video bigger, I think. Well, we can just go to, yeah, let's just do this, it's better. Okay, I can see it. I'm gonna heat up my solder thing. It's the first time that I'm using this. It's brand new. So let's see how it's gonna do it. I really need to put my trash bin closer to me for these stuff. So I'm plugging this in now. Just don't move, come on. Why are you moving? Let me set the temperature on this before I do that. I think I'm gonna go with 250. Go with 250. I feel like this is gonna just gonna kill me today, but what the fuck? I should get my other solder stand over here. But anyways. Okay, now it's kind of stable. Let's give this a try. Plugged in. It's on now. Oh, look at the light on this. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for this to heat up. I have my I don't know what this is called. You kind of use it for clearing your solder thing. I don't know. So I have that. It's actually probably like 10 years old or something, this thing, because I had it once. I started using it once and then kept using the same thing. Probably just need to buy a new one. For the soldering, I have this thing. I'm just gonna give it a try. If I can solder these resistors, the rest will be, I think, quite easy. But let's see. By the way, what is this this other component? It says IJ63. I don't know what that is. Is it getting hot? Bro went slower than assembly. Dude, you gotta follow the rat's holes, you know. All right, I think this is now hot enough, but let's give it a try. I am gonna put this thing over here, move things away a bit. I really don't have enough space for this, but whatever. I'm just working with limitations. So okay. All right, I like the feeling of this. It's just brand new, so it's just very shiny. Okay. Let's give it a try, guys. Let's give it a try. Official soldering stream now. I don't like the positioning of this cable, but all right. We're soldering now. Come on. Okay, it's not hot enough. I gotta just change the temperature on this. I'm gonna go to 300. It's definitely not hot enough. Let's wait for a second. No, it's not melting at all. Okay, now it's melting a bit. It's actually not great. Wait, can I take a look with my eyes? Okay, now it's better. I don't know why it's like it's getting like it's just drying so quick. I don't know why that happens. Okay, anyways, just keep going. Oh, come on. This is not bad. Okay, it was actually not bad. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's fine. That's all right, I think. Oh shit, this is actually a bit higher than the other ones. Oh my god. That's probably fine. I don't want to make it perfect. All right, so we're gonna cut the legs. I don't have the usual like cutter thing. I only have this one. I forgot to buy it today, so it's gonna be a pain to do that with this. So wait. It's really gonna be very painful, but I'm gonna try my best. Alright. That's one. I mean, it's very painful, but this is what we are working with. Shit, I really need the other cutting thing. It's just too painful. Yeah, this looks like shit. Luckily, the other parts are not that long in terms of leg, so we can always cut these later, but it's kind of annoying. Okay, we got the resistors. All right, what is the next component now? Let's go with the which one? C4. Let's go with this one over here, this big one. The C4 is 47 micro farads. Is this the one? 47. This is 22. Okay, 47 microfarads. That's the one. And yeah, C4. Let me just make sure real quick. Electrolytic capacitor. Yes. So plus. Oops, I dropped it. I think the long one is the wait, let me actually search for this. I want to make sure. Capacitor long leg is actually positive or negative. It's probably negative. Yeah, okay. Positive is the longer leg, so negative is shorter. So positive is the longer leg, which means we go back here. It's gonna be like that. You place it like this. C4, okay. The other ones, let me find them. C3 is over here. Let me actually show it to you. So C3 is 22 22 microfarads. Let me be careful because there are like multiple ones and one of them is 22 and the other one is like 2.2. 22. Oops. So this is 22. C3 22. Let's put that in. We're just gonna bend the legs. Okay, what are the other ones? C1. C1 is 2.2, so that's this one. We're just gonna put it over here. Okay, and I saw another one actually. C4, what is that? Oh, C4, I already did that. C3, film capacitor C2. Where is that? C2, I don't see it. Is it on the other circuit? No. Oh, C2, it's right here. So it's a film capacitor, 100 nanofarads. Which one is it? Well, this is gone. This is not here. So I don't know which one it is. Let me just turn this off. 100 nanofarads film capacitor. Let's find that out. This angle is so weird. 100 film capacitor. Hundred nanofarads. Okay, it looks like this here. I don't have anything that looks like that, to be honest. Oh, is this the one? Shit, hold on. Maybe it is the one. Because there's like this one. I think that's it. Wait. Cannot see it. So this says IJ63. IJ63. Let's search for that. IJ63. Wait, why? What is going on? Rust analyzer. Why are you even running in the background? I'm not even writing Rust. Maybe it's LJ. I don't know. 1J63. Okay, 1J63 capacitor value. All right, maybe this is the 100 nanofarads. Oh, 100 nanofarad. Okay, I have it. That's cool. So this is the one, guys. I was a bit worried that maybe it wasn't in the package, but it is actually in the package. So this is 100 nanofarads. Seems legit. Let's go back to here. Okay, C2 100 nanofarads. So C2. I cannot see it. All right. C2. This doesn't have polarization, so we can just like put it whatever. Alright. Just gonna bend the legs. Okay, let's solder time. Let's solder it. I'm gonna start with this one over here, and I'm gonna go to the other ones later. Alright, let's turn this on. Let me cut some soldering iron. Soldering, I don't know, is it called soldering iron? It's all in Turkish, so I don't know. I'm just waiting for this thing to get hot. So in the meantime, how are you guys doing? Is anyone still in this live stream? It's been already 48 minutes. What the hell? Time flies when you're doing electronics. Maybe I'm just slow. I don't know. I'm just slow. All right. All right. I don't know why it's like getting dry really quick. I don't like that a lot. Makes it a bit difficult to work with. Maybe it's about the quality of my solder stuff. Okay, the last one. I cannot reach it from here. Wait. Shit. I'm just gonna turn around and just do it from here. No trembling. What do you mean? Okay. It's kind of alright. What do you mean no trembling? Man, I need to cut these legs with the proper cutter later, because I fucking hate this when like they're like some stuff are like still in my hand. Yeah, like, do you mean I'm not shaking, or you're saying that I'm shaking? Bro, I'm a professional. I'm just, you know, while I'm not coding, I'm just practicing soldering, you know? Sen benim geceleri uyuduğumu mu sanıyorsun Memati? Alright. right, I cut all the legs. It's just looking fucking terrible. It looks fucking terrible. Look, I really need a proper cutter for this. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these fucking leg pieces. Okay. That's that. Let's continue. Let's continue with the rest of the parts. All right. RV1, RV2, 100k trim pots. Orientation matters. Dude, what is a trim pot? I guess this is a trim pot, right? Let me actually search for it. Yeah, it's just a trim pot. All right, so orientation matters, you say? Let's see. Okay, RV1. I mean, both of them are just 100k, so we can just like YOLO them, I guess. Let's just YOLO them. RV1 or RV2. Okay, let me just kind of stabilize them a bit. Okay, it's kind of stabilized. And RV2. Okay, I think it should be enough for soldering. I just like bent the legs like that. Man, I really need this cutter, man. It is very annoying to have a bunch of freaking legs on the components. But anyways, there we go. Looking good. Solder them. It's actually a weird angle. It's kind of better. I think this kind of thing, what real programmer does. This kind of thing is, I think, what a very, very, I don't know, depressed and very, like, I don't know. I just lost hope towards everything. That's why I'm doing this right now. Just kidding. But I mean, I didn't design the circuit. If I designed the circuit, that would be even cooler, I think. Real programmers code in PHP. That's actually true. Oh my god, this is the worst. Okay, I fucked that up, but boom. Oh shit, that was good. Boom. Boom. Maybe a little bit more solid. I don't know why my it should shine, you know, like when you solder, it should normally like look shiny, but it doesn't look shiny, which is like kind of unsatisfying for me. But I mean, as long as this works, I'm fine. I'm not trying to flex. Anyways, all right. We got the trim pots in place. We got the trim pots, guys. That's cool. Let me try to cut the legs. Actually, I can't because they're too short. They're too short. Anyways, moving on to other pieces. What do we have on this? Let's solder the Q1 and Q2, which are the main components, I think. BC1, where is it? 108. These are the guys that we need to solder. These are the things that actually make the sound like what the fuck did I say? Yeah, they just kind of do the magic. So BC1 108. I mean, these are identical, but they're not being numbered, so I can just probably just pick one and just solder it. Let's just pick this little fella over here. So what's the pin out of this? How do I even know that? So let's say this is the Q2, right? Q2 EBC. All right, EBC. So I'm gonna search these the components. BC108B, BC108B, and this is also BC108B, right? I'm gonna turn this off. This is also BC108B. Okay, these are identical. I'm gonna search on the internet because we need to make this shit right, you know. BC108B, BC108B pinout. Okay, this is not great. The one with the tick is C. So C is, no, it's actually the wrong. It's the other way around here. What the fuck? Oh, tag. So tag is one. One is emitter. So one is. Okay, let's have a look. So we have one leg closer to the tag, and that's supposed to be the emitter. But this is E, I guess. Man, it's really easy to fuck this up. The one that is close to the tick is E. Okay, this is actually a better diagram. So one that is close to E is one to the tag is E. So it's basically like this, and E. Okay, so E, EBC. So EBC, and then I'm gonna take a look at the circuit. EBC. So gonna be like this. I hope. If I fuck this up, it won't blow up. What happened to the music? It just ended. Alright, give me a sec. So if I fuck this up, it's gonna be bad. It's not gonna blow up, but like it won't work. So yeah, okay, I did that. EBC, E is the other way. Okay, I'm not gonna push this thing the whole way, so I don't want this to sit on the board, you know, because you know, if I fuck this up, I want some way to recover it. So E is the one with the tick. Look, just verify. Can everyone in the chat just say that say verify just to verify it, because I want to make sure. So guys, the one with the tick, you probably can see it from here, but you see the tick? That's E. Can everyone say just verify? Because I don't want this to be my mistake. If it's a mistake, I want this to be everyone's mistake. EBC. All right. Just share the failure. And the other thing, let me actually take a look at some other stuff. The one with the tag is E. Yeah, okay, so it's the same. Emissor, what the hell is that? Okay, tree is EBC. Okay, so the one with the tick. Okay, so it's the same thing again. Same thing again. We're just gonna push this here. All right. Just YOLO. Let's just soldier it, guys. YOLO. Fuck that. Just soldier it. Just soldier it. It's all good. What would be the worst thing that could happen anyways? It just won't work. But this is good. Let me go back to my POV. I'm just waiting for this thing to get hot. Yoso. You only... What is Yoso? Wasn't that YOLO? What is S? Come on. Just takes... Oh, okay, it's turned on. Yoso. Guys, I'm thinking of getting a tattoo on my arm. I'm just gonna get a YOLO tatted on my arm. What do you guys think of that? Sometimes you just gotta remember that, you know. Sometimes in life, there are times that you feel down, you feel hopeless and shit. So just want to remember that. YOLO, man, nothing matters. Alright, we're back in business. We're back in business. Can I reach this guy? Okay, that was a good one. Oops, I fucked that up. Oh, this is a bit far to reach. It's a bit far to reach. I cannot reach it. Okay, that should be good. Okay, transistors done. Let's have a look. Looking good, ready to blow up. I'm gonna just try to cut the legs again. I did it with the best of my abilities, but without a proper cutter, it's really hard. Like it's just like this right now. It's fucking shit, man. But whatever. All right. Moving on to the other parts. What do we have? We did the Q1, Q2. We did the trim pots. LED. Let's try that maybe. LED. Oh, I need to insert the PSP first. What do we have over here? Maybe hack the roll, dude. Hell yeah. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with now. Let me check the board. So we have actually two boards, right? What's up with the other parts? Let's have a look at the other parts. We have this power socket. We have some wires, some more sockets, a ribbon, and that's all. So let's go with the what should we do? Maybe ribbon, rubber ring. Use it to keep lampshade in place. DC cable. Okay, I'm a bit lost now, but I think we can just go ahead and solder this thing. Or yeah. Shouldn't I have two of these audio jack? Okay, let's go with the power socket. It's in here, right? Guess this is the power. I'm guessing. Alright, I'm trying to like think of how this is gonna end up. So we're gonna have this thing. This is the button thing. What's the orientation of this? Fucking hell. Okay, let me see the docs. Foot switch. Mount in enclosure before putting the boards in. What does that even mean? So Switchboard player side. Oh, I need to wait. Mainboard player side. Mainboard floor side. I'm trying to figure this out, guys. So this is gonna be where am I gonna put this thing? I'm so lost. No. So this is gonna be... Oh, okay, so... Wait. Let's say we put these things over here, right? Are these both 100k? 500k? 1k. Okay, let me find the correct ones. So... RV4. No, this is the other side, okay. So volume and gauge. So RV3 is the 500k. Where is it? 500k, the other one. Like that. And this is like this. So we're gonna place these like that. And for the... What is this input? Like, what is this one on the middle? That's the LED, okay. That's the LED. So it's gonna be like that. And for these inputs, we're gonna... Wait, let me just stabilize these first. So RV3 is, let me just make sure it's 1k. Okay, I fucked up already. RV4 is 500. Okay, fixed. RV4 500. Okay, cool. Let me bend the legs so that they stay in place. Okay, just bending them. Cannot show it to you because I need to do it while I'm holding it. That sounded kind of gay. Okay, they are now in place. I can probably solder them now. Let me just solder them. Okay. Are they moving? Yeah, this one's moving. This is not good. Okay. Now it seems more stable. Mount in enclosure before soldering. What does that mean? I'm not getting that. Let me just chat GPT that real quick. What does that mean? So it basically says that we need to put them here. Wait, I'm not sure if I'm getting this. Wait a minute. Okay, so I removed the stuff that on this, and then I'm gonna try to this should be fine. The thing that I don't get right now is how am I gonna do these things? Like, where am I gonna solder these? I don't see it yet. In and ground. But anyways, we can just solder these guys now, I guess. Let's do that. Where's my soldering iron? Did I lose it already? Okay, it's gone. Just gonna use a fresh one then. All right. Can I reach it? Come on. Come on. That should be good. I'm gonna turn this off for now. All right, let me try to fit this in the case again. Alright, it fits, so... Alright, it fits. Look. Alright, moving on. I need to figure out the other stuff that I need to be soldering, like these input stuff and also the power. Let me check the docs. Okay, so we have this audio jacks, right? And where do I even put them? Ground in, ground out. Maybe we can go ahead and do the other stuff. So mainboard floor side, power socket. So this is the power socket. So this is the, yeah, this goes here, I think. GST 2-pin M in the top center part of the board. Okay, this is here. Let's solder that one. Does it really matter, like the... No. Okay. I'm just trying to like bend the legs so that they stay in place, but it's kind of hard. Maybe I can use this fancy thing for that. Maybe I can just solder from top. That's another option. Oh man, it's kind of annoying. Did I break it? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna just do it like this. I'm gonna place it over here. And then solder it. You don't see it, but it's not magic. Just give me a sec. Did I turn this off again? Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna turn off this soldering thing. Just wait for this. It takes forever. All right, close up. With a shitty quality. Come on. It's still not hot enough. This is so painful. Still not hot enough. Like it's now in better shape. Just stay in place. Come on. Okay, it should be good. Okay, power socket is in place. Okay, what else? I still don't get these like two things here. Okay, there's actually an explanation. Ground wire, black stripped in the ends. All right, so we got some wires. Let's just solder the grounds. Just did that with my hand, by the way. I don't know how I did that. Like it was just like this, and I did it like that with my hand. I don't know. Anyways, ground. 8 centimeters. I really hate these cables, by the way. Like these are a fucking pain to solder sometimes. Okay, just ground. Okay, just gonna try to solder it. Oh, come on. Did that work? I think so. Okay, that's one, and we have another one. You know, I just hold it like that and just remove the plastic. Just hold it and remove the plastic, and then go ahead and just like twist the end so that it's more solid. Like otherwise this cable contains like a bunch of small other cables, if that makes sense, so it just like makes it hard to solder if you know, when that happens. Okay, we're just gonna put that in the ground. Put that there, and go ahead and solder that. Okay, this should be good. All right. What about the other ones? So we have in. So this is any color strip meant in the ends. Any other color. Okay, so in. Let's use the yellow for this. In and out. Okay, the other one I'm gonna just use white. Just a bit long. I should have just used jumper cables. The ones that they gave me with the kit are just very annoying type of cables. Very fragile. I'm just gonna cut the tip a little bit. Oh my god, are you serious? Okay, that somehow worked. Let's solder it. It's a weird angle, but it worked. This looks very bad, but it's because I didn't cut the legs and like other remaining parts right in. Alright, in is intact. Alright, this looks like this now. Cool. What are we gonna do now? We have this, okay, let me just scroll. I wonder what I'm gonna do with this little fella. Does this belong to the other thing? Outboard, mainboard, switchboard. So on the switchboard, we only have this one, I guess. So what's up with this cable? And what's up with these stuff now? I'll try to understand it. Outboard. DC jack, DC cable. Black plastic part with a nut. Mountain. Okay, this is the DC jack. DC cable. black wire to larger lug. This is the large one. Red lug to opposite. What? Oh, this is... yeah. Middle should be stay unconnected. So something like that. And then we just plug it in. Okay, this is the DC cable. No, DC jack. Okay, this is the DC jack. And this is DC cable. And this is like, there's 2 audio jacks. So okay, only mount these in the enclosure together with the main board once they're wired up. Okay, how do I wire these up? We have in, out, ground. How do I wire these up? You didn't even like tell me how to do that. But okay, so going back to the I'm not showing you this, but it's not really important. But so going back to the PDF, so DC jack and DC cable. So this is the jack. Black wire to the larger one, so this one. Red to the lug opposite of it. Middle lug should stay. So what's the opposite of that? Like, okay, let me actually search. DC jack in out. So black to the big one, it said. Round and live. Okay, that makes sense then. Just black one to the big one. Like where the larger lug. Okay, so black goes here. Okay, let me try to solder this now. It's a very annoying one to solder, by the way. Going back here. I just realized I don't have a power source to try this out. So I won't be able to try this out probably, but yeah, maybe I can hack something. But anyways, let's just finish building this first. Okay, it would be nice if I had my fancy thing to hold this. Hello, Ferris. What up? Welcome to my soldering POV stream. Okay, it's a very weird angle. I melted the cable. But I think it will work like that. Let me take a look. I mean, yeah, it'll work. Should be fine. Why are you building a bomb? Bro, I just wanna like... I just want... Just to feel something. Just to feel something. Alright. We did that. Let's do the ribbon thing. Let's go to here. Ribbon cable. Pads for the cable are in the bottom center of the main board. Alright, let's do the pads. Let's do the pads. Dude, some people go to therapy. They should really try building a bomb. It's really good for mental health. All right. How do I even keep this in place? Man, I'm trying to stabilize this right now. It's a bit difficult. Oh shit. Just gonna keep this in place so that I can solder it, but it doesn't want to just stay put. In case if you just joined the stream and asking why I didn't cut the legs, because I don't have the cutter for those. So we're just working with this annoying circuit with a bunch of legs just uncut and just like that. I don't know. It's a bit bad, bro. Not gonna lie. But anyways, it's a pain to just try to bend this leg, so I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna put it on the table. Oh shit, I cannot even do that. Damn. I need to somehow stabilize this. Almost worked. Fuck. Just stay like this. Don't move. don't move. Okay. I did it, guys. Somehow it's staying still. So I can try to solder it. That was clean. That was very clean. Yeah, I can try to show it to you. Let me get my flash. Anyways. So we now need to solder the other part. Just gonna remove these. So in goes to in here. Oops. Just stay still. Just what the hell? Okay. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. Actually, it would be better if you can hold the circuit. Okay. Okay, that looks good. And we're gonna just gonna add this foot switch, mountain enclosure before putting the boards in. Well, how am I gonna know which thing is which? I don't know. I need to search this part. EG4 foot switch. EG4 foot switch. What the hell? Pin out. Dude, which one is it? Yeah, okay, there you go. Stomp switch, pin out. All right, so I don't see anything written on this. It just says 1 3. Maybe it doesn't matter. Like, I have two options anyways. Like, I will either go with this one or this one. So guys, can you just do a coin flip for me really quick? Just a coin flip, please. Can I get a coin flip? I guess it doesn't have, well, I don't know. One. Tails. Okay, I was thinking of tails, so yeah, this looks like it. So what's the pin out? Should I just YOLO it, guys? One second. Does this have... Does it matter which side I solder? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna YOLO it. So one, just gonna go to here. Okay. Something like that. No. Why are you saying that? It's just a switch, so it should be fine, right? No, it's taking hella solder. Oh, come on. Alright, it should be good. There you go. So now what's left? I guess these things. One of them is out, one of them is in. So, wait. Going back here. Audio jack, pin out. Guitar. Okay. So the one at the bottom is ground and the other one is positive. Alright, that was easy. So look at mine. The 1, 2 is negative. Just trust Google Images, man. Alright, sleeve ground. Okay, so the one at the bottom is just ground. So alright, this is the last part, I think. Oh no, we have the LED. Okay. But we're getting close. I hate soldering these cables, by the way. It's just really annoying type of cables. Okay. No, I'm making a mistake right now. Nope, this is the wrong one. I just realized my mistake. This is not ground. This is ground. Okay, a bit of a weird angle, but I should be able to solder it. Okay, should be alright. Alright, going back to the other one. Looks very fragile though. Oh man. This angle is so fucked. Alright, pro soldering, guys. Look at this. Alright. Alright, moving on to the other one. Again, pro soldering skills. And this is the last cable, I hope. Okay. All right. Now we can put these things in the case, solder the LED, and that's it, guys. So first of all, I think the power. So wait, get out. Okay, did I fuck something up here? Yeah, that's power. Guys, let me actually check if I have a like adapter for this. 1 second. Okay, it takes like 9 volts, I think. Maybe I can find some adapter, but anyways, let me just put everything in place. It's a bit annoying. All right, stabilized. Let's do the in and outs. So this is in. Maybe I can do the LED now before I put everything together. Where is it? The long one is plus, I think. Damn, it's gonna be hard. Okay. We also have a case for the LED. I don't know how it works though. Wait. How am I supposed to? Oh, it's like that. Then you kind of put this in. Okay, so about the LED. Long one is plus, so it's gonna be like this. Let me in and out. Okay, in, out. Okay, just putting everything in the case, basically. This is in. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to place the other stuff. That should be fine. Something like this. Come on. Okay. Long one is plus, so it should be the... Okay, let me make sure. LED, long leg. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just try to match it. Oh shit. This is kind of problematic now. Shit, I should have... Oh fuck. This is bad. I should have just placed the potentiometers first. Made a mistake there. Damn. Just gonna undo everything now. Fuck. Can you drop some logs, create examples to tab management for racing stuff? Yeah, I can do that later. Okay. Shit, this is hard, man. Alright, so plus. Alright, let's just place the LED. Oh shit. Almost there. Not really. Okay. I think I got it. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna stabilize these pots first. There you go. What the hell? Cannot place this thing here. What is going on? I'm pretty sure this was a part of this component. Maybe I need to force it a little bit. Or just come on. It's not the... Nope. What the hell, man? Maybe I mixed them or something. Okay, that worked. All right, and we can solder the LED. I'm gonna try to cut the legs a little. It's just impossible. How am I gonna get rid of these? Anyways, I cannot do anything. And I'm gonna place this thing. And also the other one. Okay, that's the input and output. Also, oh shit. Okay, I think I fucked up here. Yeah. Damn. Okay, this is a big fuck up, guys. I need to... Yeah, this is stuck here. Fuck. Can I even move it? Oh, this is like a socket, right? I can just remove it. Okay, that's good. Okay, I didn't fuck up. Yet. We're still in the game. Do I just remove everything though? Probably. You can either like connect it like that or connect it like this. Which is I think easier. Input. This is the wrong way though. It's a bit bad, but yeah. Can I twist it maybe? I guess I have to twist it. Okay. There you go. And we just connect it. Difficult because I fucked up the way that these things are supposed to be. Okay. Almost there. No. Come on. Okay, connected. This is connected, and I'm gonna connect the power. Okay, okay, it looks like this. Small touches. Just adding these pink stuff. Wait, why is it not? Okay. I have a small screwdriver for this. Why is it so tight? Okay. That's that. And let's close the case. Guys, I won't be able to test this now because I don't have the power supply and also another jack. But I'm gonna close this anyways because I'm confident that it will do something. Just gonna yellow it tomorrow or something. I'll show you on stream, don't worry. But yeah, right now I'm afraid I won't be able to test it. I also need to figure out if this actually works with 9 volts. Probably it does. Alright, there you go. The final product looks like this. You have some parameters. You have the, you know, this thing. You just press or something. There you go, guys. Finished. Testing tomorrow. Let me put away the soldering thing. I'm back. We made it, guys. It's been 2.5 hours, but there you go. I just realized like I should have pressed the what's better. Damn. Anyways. I don't know what to say. I'll share the result on Discord. Join Discord. Let me send a link. There you go. And I'm basically done at this point. I need to just walk a bit now. So guys, I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Hit the like, subscribe, whatever, and join Discord. Sponsor me on GitHub if you liked what you have seen. You know, need some motivation to keep going, and GitHub sponsors is a great way. And yeah, good night or good day, everybody. See you in the next one.